Okay class, today we continue our lesson, okay, about the solving problem. Okay, so the integer, okay, we need to solve the problem. Okay, let's say for this question, okay, Lokman credit account shows a balance of debt, okay, of 230 ringgit at one time. Okay, then he had used his credit card to pay for the 3 book, each costing 120 ringgit. So, after a week later, his credit card account was charged an interest of 3 ringgit. Okay, because he used the credit card, so the credit card will charge, okay, to him the interest RM 3 ringgit. And Luqman made a payment of RM 400 ringgit to his account. So explain whether the Luqman had cleared his debt. Okay, debt means hutang. Okay, you hutang dengan bank, you hutang dengan credit card, you not pay, okay, the book with cash money, you use your credit card. So when we use a credit card, the bank will give you an interest. They charge you an interest because you use their diorang punya service. Okay, we use their service, so okay, they will charge based on your payment. Okay, now firstly you get a question, highlight all the clue here. So now we have a debt. Okay, debts means you hutang, so debt means negative. Okay, negative because you hutang. Okay, and then he had used his credit card to pay for 3 books, each costing 120. So one book, okay, is equal with 120. So he bought 3 books. Okay, so 3 times 120. This one also become negative. Why negative? Because he pay using his credit card, not pay cash. Okay, and then after that, okay, in his account, the bank charged interest of RM 3 ringgit. Okay, so the bank charged RM 3 ringgit also negative because, okay, Luqman didn't pay yet, okay, his debt. Okay, now, after that, Luqman, okay, made a payment only 400 ringgit. Okay, so only 400 ringgit. So this one become positive. Okay, so you must know that this one negative. Okay, books also negative, and then interest also negative. Okay, when he do a payment, this one become positive. So you must explain whether the Luqman has cleared his debt or not. Okay, firstly, okay, total account balance, that means last month punya account, okay, balance is RM 230 ringgit. So that means this is a negative sign. And then total payment for books, okay, using credit card, okay, he bought 3 books, so 3 times negative 120. That means the answer is negative 360. Why negative? Because he pay using his credit card, not cash. Okay, and then, okay, bank charge him the interest RM 3 ringgit, also negative. Okay, after that he pay only RM 400 ringgit. So we want to know whether the Luqman has cleared his debt or not. So firstly you must know what is the total expenses and debt. Okay, so now total debt here, okay, let's say dia punya debt is negative 230, okay, plus negative 360, okay, plus with negative 3 ringgit. Okay, this one is his debt. Okay, so total here is become how many? Okay, so use your calculator. Okay, find out when 230, okay, plus with 360, plus with 3 ringgit. That means his debt negative 593. Okay, negative 593. Okay, this is his debt. Okay, now he pay only 400 ringgit. Okay, he pay only 400 ringgit. So payment 400 ringgit. So ada hutang or not? Okay, so now we can check whether he's cleared or not. Okay, payment. Okay, you can see here, payment equal positive 400. Okay, and then his debt, okay, equal negative 593. So from this one you can see here, okay, his Luqman not settle his debt. Okay, Luqman is not clear his debt because, okay, when the debt, okay, you minus with the 400. Okay, so he still debt 193 ringgit. Okay, so we can see here how to answer this question. Okay, final credit card account. Okay, total negative 193. Okay, why? Because negative 230 minus 360 minus 3 and then plus with 400 because he only pay 400 ringgit. So that means Luqman has not cleared his debt because his credit card account still shows a balance of debt RM 190 ringgit. Okay, when you do a sentence, okay, do not put any sign of negative. Negative shows only he has a debt. Okay, but in your sentence you just put still shows a balance of debt of RM 193 ringgit. So that's all for today. And then you can do the self practice 1.2 E, okay, number 1 and number 2, and also the mastery Q 1.2, okay, number 1 until number 6. If you have any problem, just let me know, okay. So for those yang hantar buku, hantar exercise, okay, so saya akan check kemudian sebab saya tak sempat. So that's all for today. Okay, thank you class.